he's so bad he didn't sleep with his eyes open.
I can't take 14 nights of this.
Morning. Did you get any sleep last night?
Not a wink. Was it day 8 or 9?
Pretty sure it's only day 8.
We gotta get that snow room ready for Granny or I'm gonna die.
I'll help.
Snorridge room.